In my opinion, there is no program in this country like Unnati. In this short period of time, the amount of effort which goes in, the concentration, the kind of designing of the program, the delivery of the program is very unique to Unnati. Please understand there are a few things where we will not accept any compromise, and this is extremely serious. One, we don't want our center anybody talking in any other language other than English. Please understand, when you go to Singapore or some other place, the moment you walk into the city, even if you have a waste paper in your hand, you will not throw it on the road, which you would do very commonly in your town or village or Bangalore or anywhere. Why is it? It is because the atmosphere in that area, the way the people behave in that area is different. So it is important that you create that ambience in Unnati that everyone will think of himself as a professional and only talk in English. So this is extremely important, point number one. Number two, we are talking of discipline, which is critical. We don't want, if our timing is 8:30 to 9 assembly, it should be 8:30 to 9 assembly. The trainer who is going to do it, the SDO must be there at 8:25 waiting for the youth to come, and no youth should be allowed to come after 8:30. If a youth comes late 3 days, please ask him to leave. We are not against the youth. He can come back and join the next batch. We are against his attitude. His attitude of coming late, his attitude of taking it easy, his attitude of being like a child or like a hostel or a college boy. He has to understand that in next 50 days he is joining a company, it's a professional setup, he has to be on time, his life depends on all this. So that is non-negotiable. I don't want them to be taking leave, 3 days leave, ask him to leave. There have been cases when somebody genuinely has got typhoid and he had to take 10 days or 7 days leave. We have asked him to come and join the next batch. Why? You cannot make up 7 days of time in a period of 6 to 7 weeks time. So that is not acceptable. Please don't allow any of the classes to go waste. You know that in colleges or in schools, on government colleges, government schools, more often they will say teacher is absent today. No class is happening, do some homework. Somebody will come, give some homework, some classwork and walk off. This cannot happen in Unnati. We are talking of value systems, let's stick to it. Let's deliver the program so that the youth is empowered. This is about empowerment. Please stick to these aspects.